Let's see if it can take a second shot. Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today we got a special one for you. This one is going to be showcasing the strength and the security feature of laminated glass. This is an Anlin Catalina picture window. Dual pane, so the outside of this window is going to be annealed. Double strength annealed glass, okay? And that's where the low E goes. On the inside pane here is going to be the laminated glass. Okay, so this is the section as to where it's gonna be extremely hard to penetrate past this panel of glass. And the first thing I wanna show you is, I don't know if you can hear it, but I want you to hear the difference in tone when I knock on these two panels of glass. You got that? And laminate. You hear that? So what my job today is to show you, well, taking a hammer and beating this side of the glass, and that's why I'm wearing my Kevlar sleeves. I got some cut-resistant gloves, and I'm wearing my my safety glasses. Now, I should be wearing goggles, but this is what I had on hand. Without further ado, Stanley is a 22-ounce framing hammer, okay? He's been out of service for a while, but we saved him for just a moment like this. So let me put on some gloves. How many hits do you think it's gonna take to break this outside? 1, 2, maybe? Well, let's see. So I'm a right-hander, so I'm gonna stand over here, okay? You hear that? Wow, that's non-tempered, that's non-laminated glass, double strength glass. That's standard by Anlin. I just took a hammer to that, 22-ounce hammer to that. Let's see if it can take a second shot. All right. Well, it turned out that it's tempered glass because it just shattered into a million different pieces. Tempered glass. I was under the impression when I was reading the ticket that it was the annealed glass. Let's turn this puppy around and we're gonna go for the kill shot. So this is what they would call safety glass. So you can actually touch this. It's not gonna harm you. This is what happens if you're running and you go right into the glass. It's gonna do this number. So this is tempered safety glass. So it's a big old pile of glass down there at the bottom. Okay. So it just got a little lighter, but it's still heavy as heck for that laminated glass. We know it takes two pretty damn good strikes with Stanley to get tempered glass to break. Okay, that's standard in doors, that's standard in windows that are very close to a door, above a door, or in a shower, or in a tub. That's what you're gonna see. All right, now, what I'm expecting is that it's gonna take a lot of pressure to actually get this thing to crack, but what's cool is, with laminated glass, it's like your windshield. It's a safety glass, it's hard to pierce. So, you know, if you're wanting security in your house, this is what I'm gonna showcase to you what you would get with an Anlin window with laminated glass, okay? Check it out. So all these impact marks, but there's nothing falling out, right? Because it's all sandwiched together. It's two panels of glass that are sandwiched together with a film in between. And it's making it so that way you can't actually get past it, right? Is that amazing? I mean, I think it is. If somebody with a swinging a hammer at your window sees this, do you think they're gonna keep going? You know, they're gonna go to the next window? Well, no, because look at what's happening. So that is laminated glass, folks. You know, and we can do this all around this glass. Will it finally make its way in? Yeah, maybe. You know, I don't know how many cracks it would take of this thing to actually do it, but it's gonna take quite a bit of abuse. Well, hopefully this video has helped you guys kind of get an idea as to what a residential window with laminated glass can withstand. Guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.